Okay, so today we're going to be learning about something new in math, which is called base 10, okay? Now, I'm going to show you it on my side of the screen, so I want you to pay attention to just the little part of your screen that shows me, and then I'm going to show it to you on the worksheet. What I want you to do right now is, if you can see with my mouse, I'm circling. This is the worksheet I want you to go get, so you should have it printed. If you don't, that's totally fine. You can just follow along with me on the screen. But this is what we're going to be using today to learn about base 10. So if you want, you can pause the video here, and then you can go and grab this worksheet from your pile or whatever, and then join me again. Okay, now that you're back, we're going to get right into talking about base 10. Now, base 10 is something that you guys actually know about. It's just making tens and hundreds with single blocks and groups of 10. So, we're going to practice by making groups of 10, but we're going to start by talking about 1. So, in base 10, we have singles, just like this, which means it's a 1, okay? Or we have groups of 10. Now let's build a group of 10. For now, we'll make our singles orange, and our tens will be green. So we need to take 10 single blocks, obviously, to make one 10. It's kind of like we do with our straws for tallies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here I have my group of 10, okay? And I have my 1. Now let's get out some more ones, okay? Now, I have my ones here, all right, and I have a group of 10. Now, if I have 10, all right, and I add one more, I would have 11, right? But I can't use two 10s to make 11. That would be 10, 20, okay? So I have to, if I want to make anything more than 10, okay, I have to put a 10 with ones, okay? Now, as you can see on the screen, we have groups of 10 and then ones. So, this one is going to be like this. Here's my 10, and here's 3 more. Now, I'm not going to put them together because I'm not making a 10. I just have 3 single blocks and a group of 10. How many would that be altogether? I have 1, so we're going to change this to 1. And how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3. Or as you can see on the screen, 1, 2, 3. So I have 1 10 and 3 ones. So go ahead and write that on your paper. For this first problem, you have 1 group of 10 and 1, 2, 3 ones. So how many does that make in all? For this first problem, we're going to count them all from the beginning, and the next one we're going to count on, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 in all. Okay, awesome. Let's get some more ones out for this next one. How many 10s do I have? I have 1 10. How many ones do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 ones. So I have 6 ones, just like this, okay? Now I'm not going to put them together because I'm not making another 10. In order to put them together in a bar, I have to have 10, and I only have 6. So let's record down here how many 10s we have. I have 1 10. And how many ones do I have? Remember, we have 6 ones. This time we're going to count on. So we know that this group is how many ones? 10, right? All of the bars have 10 ones in them, right? We're going to count on with ones. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's try that one more time. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 in all. Okay. Let's move down to these problems now. How many groups of 10 do I have? I have 1 10. How many ones do I have? I have 1 1. So I'm going to put it. I have 1 10, 1 1. And how many do I have in all? 10, 11. Because we know this is 10, so I can just count on. 10, 11. Just like this. 10, 11. So in all, I have 11. Let's go to the next one. How many 10s do I have? Just 1. So record 1 10. How many ones do I have? I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many do I have in all? This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 in all. There are a few more problems in the packet. I want you to finish them on your own, okay? And then when we meet this week, we can go over it. Okay, good luck, guys.